Hi and welcome back to Spot on Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to properly stow your spare tire and tools in 2026 Volkswagen Taos. If this video helps, please like, share and subscribe. First thing, you'll have to open your lift gate. And now, as you can see, I have all my tools here, jack, wrench, and I'm gonna show you how to properly stow those back in the place. So they belong right here in this right corner. So I'm gonna start with this tool. So you wanna make sure that you put this tool right here, just like that, in this corner, so it sits nicely in here and inside here. So it's all the way down. Next, I'm gonna put back in place this wrench. So you wanna put it basically on top of that tool, just like that, and push it in. Now I have this little piece, and this one will go right here, just like that. Just push it in. And now I'm gonna put back this jack, so this one goes right here. Now all the tools are back in place. And now the last thing you want to do, you want to secure those tools with that strap. So you want to fit this strap through here, bring it back through this one, and just pull it like that, and the last piece goes on top of it. Just push it in. And now this is how you stow your tools. So next thing, I'm gonna show you how to put your spare tire back in place. So you wanna grab your spare tire just like that, and you wanna put it in the middle. There we go, now you can see it. This is exactly how this spare tire fits inside. So next I'm gonna put this piece on. I'm gonna spin it all the way down. Make sure it's tight, that your tire is not moving. And then the last piece, just wanna fit it inside, just like that. And now you can put your cargo mat back inside. There we go. Spare tire and tools properly stowed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.